Ever wondered how creators turn passion into profit? In this tutorial, we will reveal the secrets to maximizing your Patreon experience. Whether you are an artist, writer, or content creator, join us to discover how to build a community, earn sustainable income, and connect with your biggest fans. Let's get started on your journey to success. So hey guys, and welcome to this video where I will show you step by step how to use Patreon tutorial. So the first thing that you have to do is open your browser and dive into patreon.com. This is the homepage. As you can see, you have here several things and various information to know it. But before, let's know what is Patreon. Patreon is a membership platform that enables creators to earn a sustainable income by providing exclusive content and experiences to their supporters or patrons. It serves as a bridge between creators such as artists, writers, and podcasters and their audience, allowing fans to financially support their work on a recurring basis. By offering various membership tiers, creators can provide different levels of access and perks, fostering a closer connection with their community. In essence, Patreon empowers creators to monetize their content while giving patrons a way to directly support the artists they love, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both parties. So this is what is Patreon. To get started and let's say sign up, you have just to click over get started and you write your email address and your password. Then you'll find your account. But if you already sign up and you want to log in, you have just to click over log in. You can write your email address or you can use other options like Google, Apple, or Facebook. Then you click over continue. Once you do that, you write your password. Then you click over continue. So this is the home page. As you can see, we have here other options like library, audience, insights, payout, promotions, community, notifications, settings. And you have your create. So here we have in the home page, your Patreon is ready. Here is how to make it yours. Adding some details helps visitors learn more about you and what you plan to share here. We have here firstly add a profile photo. Describe your page, like people know who are you and what you will be using Patreon for. Then you have here make your first public post. Let fans know what to expect with a welcome post or a bonus piece of work that's available to everyone. Public posts are shared more and can bring in more visitors. When you have published your page, this is it. It's time to go live with your page. Then we have tell people here, share your page with your audience so people can start joining. About this one, you have just to click over here, you write your intro video, and you have in the bio here add a short bio to let people know more about who are you and what you create and why you are on Patreon. But we have also other things. About social, help people find you wherever you are. Connect your other accounts to show them on your page. We will never post on your behalf. We have here YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, TikTok. You can just connect and you get started. Then you have to make your first public. You have just to select a type, for example, text, video, audio, image, link, poll, live stream also. You can just click over here to text. I will choose it. You have here create text posts. You can just add a title here, for example, selling product. Then we have here why do you create? For example, there are a new shoes basketball, especially Kyrie Irving Infinity. Then you have just to upload attachment here and you click over next. Once you do that, you will find this page. Publishing options. We have firstly selling products. Who can access this post? This post will be visible to anyone who visits your Patreon. You have just to select public, paid members, free members pay only, and you have your set a release date, schedule your posts or set it to have an earlier release date. Backdated posts will want to be at the top of your page and will appear based on the date you set. Now just to switch on, and you select the day here, and also you select the time. You can also turn off it if you don't want it. Then we have here allow comments on this post. All members can comment on your public posts. You can just switch on, switch off if you want. Then we have your notify members when this post goes live. Members will get notified based on their notification settings. You can delete the graph if you want, or you can just publish it. So let's come back. And then we have here collections. About this one, you have just to create a collection, add the title, description here. This is it. We have also membership here. Build your paid membership income you can count on. Earn acquiring income from your biggest fans. Then you have start with what you have, offer something you are already excited to share with your fans, plus some added perks. Then you have you grow your creative businesses, gain sites on your members, create exclusive member only chats and more. You have just to click over get started. We have firstly some information like choose what to offer, what benefits should I offer, bonus content, behind the scenes content, such as also access to a community chat, member only voting, only access, and then you click over next. Tires and pricing here. How many tires should I have? What price should I choose also? And you click over done, and you will find that new tire, customized tire. You have to write your tire name, monthly price, for example, $50. Then you have your tire description. Describe the benefits and exclusive content people can expect to get when they join. Cover image. You have just to upload it, as you can see. Then also you have tire benefits. You can just add it. Have custom benefits, channel panel support. We have various things. You can just add the one you want. Then you have free trial. Allow members to try this tire for 7 days before charging them. You can just switch on or switch off. Then you have advanced also. Tire settings, ask members for a shipping address and the checkout. Limit the number of members here who can join this tire. Manage this Discord access in Discord. You can just here select the one you want. For example, here I will choose 1 million because I'm very famous and people just can, and I will just limit it on 1 million. Then you have give you good fate here, and that's it. So this is it, how it works with Patreon. You can just get started as soon as possible. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.